open the box of Fleece Certified 2007. Maybe. These are real nice looking base cards. Shiny. This our first hit, Andre Johnson, real nice looking jersey piece, 17 of 125.
Sure. Yeah, that's not a problem. Yeah, that'd be fine. All right. You're very welcome. Bye.
Very nice, good looking insert, Ben Roethlisberger. We got our second hit, another nice little swatch, DeAngelo Williams. Oh, we got another one. Jim McMahon, jersey, Bears, very nice, 15 of 75. Very nice cards, great product. Oh, here we go. Ted Ginn, jersey piece, Miami Dolphins. And last pack. There we go. All base cards. Good looking product. About 4 hits on average per. Leaf Certified 2007. Got 3 base inserts, all numbered, and 1 numbered rookie card. Good looking stuff. And we have the 4 hits of the box, 4 nice looking jersey pieces. The Ted Ginn out of $14.99, Andre Johnson 125, Jim McMahon is 15 of 75, and DeAngelo Williams is 1 of 50. Lots of good hits in this box and lots of low numbers.